How to fix Telegram bot not working. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Telegram bot that's not working properly. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Sometimes Telegram bots stop working due to glitches or cache issues, but don't worry, this method can help fix it quickly. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. On the bottom of the screen, you will see the menu. There will be 4 options. From the menu, tap on Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down and select Data and Storage. Now tap on Storage Usage. Here, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Go ahead and tap on it. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Tap Clear Cache again to proceed. This clears out outdated or corrupted data, which often causes bot issues. Now completely close the Telegram app. Make sure it's not running in the background. Wait a few seconds, then reopen Telegram. Once it's open, test your bot again. It should now be working perfectly. If this helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. That's all for the video, and see you in the next one.